So hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use forecasting tricks in Excel for smarter data analysis. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I have my data that consists of dates and revenue for hotel resort business. So for us to do forecasting to see a pattern in our future revenues, what we will do is just highlight the whole data like this, then go to Insert tab. Then we can go to recommended charts, hit on it. Then we can pick this first line, the way it's been selected. Then here we can see we have some revenues spikes up during different seasons like summer, and then they go down during the winter season. And as you can see this, we can also determine that. But let me go back, then delete that chart, then go back to data tab. This is the data tab. Then we click on forecast sheet, this one. Now and then you can see there's this forecasted data. As you can see, the revenue spikes and revenue going down. And at the same time, there's this future forecasted revenues. Then there's this upper bound line and the lower bound line that lies between the 95 confidence level. Then you can also go down to this section where you have options. You can also change the confidence level, and you can also be able to customize your forecasted visualization or the chart to see that you get what you the desired results. And then now we can just go ahead and hit create. So once we create, you can see. Let me move this on this side. So here you can see the forecasted revenue, the future revenues. It has been created, and our historical revenue before that has been collected. You can see the lower confidence level, this one, then the upper confidence level has been created. So that is how easy you can forecast and do data analysis in Excel. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends so that I can create more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.